Good day everyone, my name is Eduardo Gallenero Jr., 4th year BS Mechanical Engineering of Bohol Island State University. So now I will present to you my activity number 1 entitled Feeders and Storage Silos. So we are assigned to select one feeders and one silo. So my chosen one for feeders is belt feeders. So this is a belt feeders look like. And what is the definition? A short belt conveyor used to transfer granulated or powdered solids from storage or supply point to an end use point. For example, from a bean hopper to a chemical reactor. So it is a type of feeder which is to process from one point to another. And then it is capable for handling near material, and it is generally used for fine material application, and it is typically handling for 6 inches or less. Next, so this is the components or parts of a belt feeder. There is a feed hopper, the tail pulley or take up, impact idlers, drive or head pulley, discharge chute, and skirt board. Next, what is the application? Belt feeders are widely used in mining operation, power generation and construction applications, as well as pulp and paper plants, fertilizer plants, and in-grain industry or anywhere bulk materials handling is required. And it is also applied in cold handling for power plants, clinker and other raw materials for cement plants, sludge handling for process applications, rail unloading or load out, granular products, and sand, and wood chip and bark handling for pulp or paper mills. Next, advantages of a belt feeder. Allows for magnetic separation, handles abrasive materials well, smoothness of operation, uniform material discharge, quiet operation, clean operating environment, low maintenance cost, safe operating environment. So next, let's proceed to what is the material used and why. A belt feeder consists of a hopper positioned directly over a belt conveyor. Most hoppers are made of steel. The main reason is that metal hoppers are more versatile because they can handle both light duty and heavily duty loads. So it is very flexible ang steel. And then conveyor belts are made from a rubber or plastic compound combined with one or more layers of fabric material or different diameters of steel cables. It is used in belt feeders because it is flexible, resistant, smooth, and seamless. And the main purpose of a conveyor belt is to move objects from one location to another. The design allows for movement of objects that are too heavy or too bulky for humans to carry by hand. How it is made. An ultimate novelty with this belt feeder is the drive shaft made from seawater resistant aluminum with an integrated conveyor belt. The belt is propelled by a drive pulley and shaft. The drive shaft is rotated by a drive mechanism. The use of one drive shaft and one driven shaft makes the belt move in one direction only. This makes the belt move in both directions. The innovative spring-loaded center bolt allows for removing the entire conveyor belt with a single hand movement. An integrated slide ring bearing ensures the belt feeder to always function constantly and accurately. So let's move to the bunker silos. So this is a bunker silos. What is the definition? Bunker silos are trenches, usually with concrete walls, that are filled and packed with tractors and loaders. The filled trench is covered with a plastic tarp to make it airtight. These silos are usually unloaded with a tractor and loader. They are inexpensive and especially well suited to very large operations. What is the application? Bunker silos are used in agriculture to store grain or fermented feed known as silage. Silos are more commonly used for bulk storage of grain and food products. So these are the advantages. It holds large capacity. It can be filled with conventional farm equipment. It offers faster unloading rates. Forage quality changes occur gradually if filled using the progressive wedge. inexpensive, well suited to very large operation. And then the disadvantages of the bunker silos, it is higher initial cost. It requires greater care in filing and packing. It will not work for smaller herds. Needs usually unloading with a tractor or a loader. What is the material used and why? Asphalt flooring is a good choice for bank, trench, or pile silo floors. The material is unaffected by silage acids. In addition, the lack of seams in an asphalt floor eliminates the risk of water seeping through a seam and undermining the floor. Common reason why asphalt is used is that livestock need a hard surface around silos and feeding bunkers to help them keep clean. Surfaces paved with hot mix asphalt keep livestock out of the mud and muck, keeping the animals cleaner, reducing disease and providing improved hygiene. Last one, how it is made. Lining the inside of a bunker walls with a plastic prior to filing prevents water from seeping in at the edges. The results of this additional effort are the silage quality and dry matter along the wall is the same as that throughout the silo. This procedure can be accomplished by placing a small amount of old silage on the bottom of the plastic at floor level. Stretch the plastic to the top of the wall and then extend it an additional 6 to 8 feet or 1 to 2 meters. Sealing is completed after filing by extending the wall plastic back out onto the top of the pile prior to covering with the top plastic. So this is the bunker silos. So that's all everyone. Thank you for listening in my presentation and I hope you can learn something out of it. So thank you everyone.